Sound Show Radio.
Now we do.
So hot up here for Sound Show Radio.
That's a fact. Good afternoon, man. SS94.
H2 for Sound Show Radio.
Good afternoon, man.
Shout out to Yes Mika, Red 77 in the building. Shout out to Yes Mika and Red 77.
So hot up.
That's right.
ETL Radio, you know how we do.
ETL Radio is at it too.
Yeah. Shout out to Yes Mika. Shout out to Mika Baby, aka Yes Mika. Shout out to Red 77, couldn't be with us, but they always here, right? So
That's right.
We got a dope show lined up today, man. We can't play no games. You know what I mean?
No games
we got CD the King back for his part 2.
That's right.
You know what I mean? You got Durgavelli with him. They gonna perform their hit single Raw. We got ReRyte in the building. You know what I'm saying? We also got Jahari, aka straight out of Brooklyn, to talk more a little bit about his mic check series, right? So
That's right.
So we just gonna get going, man. Sound Show Radio. Let's get the declaration going, right?
That's right.
All music displayed on the show, all music displayed on the radio show is for promotional use only.
Y'all.
Any independent music we play is songs that I produce or songs from artists that we were in direct contact with. You know what I mean?
That's right. I thought we have in the studio today.
Right. Any mainstream music we play is songs that are already on public domain, so nothing is solicited in any way, but today is all in the Explosion show, right? So how?
Right. Dynamic duo in the building, y'all.
Dynamic duo in the building, me and So How we can already get this started.
Let's get it.
You know, we always start off with a Sound Pros joint. So we're going to get right into this, man. This joint is by Black Seas and myself, H2 of the Sound Pros, man. This joint is called The Gospel, produced by CJ, CTWJ Music Group, and me, H2 of Sound Pros Production. Let's get this going.
All free Black Seas, y'all.
Peace to Harlem legend Black Seas. That was my guy right there, man. Let's go, Black. You know, we always keep the name alive, right?
Right.
Right. Take it to the next level. This is SS94, let's go. Black Seas, H2 of the Sound Pros, The Gospel.
From the bottom of the map, when money first is way of life, like making sure my son get tucked in before I say goodnight. You can have a flush in your hand.
All of legend Black Seas, man, rest
Pray
in
not to
peace.
be another nigga, pray tonight. Pay your life, see the bigger picture. A fixture in the business where I can incorporate everything I've orchestrated. I made it how I illustrated, so elaborate. Creative in my zone, innovative in my fabric. Establish myself to be a magnet. And you niggas dead weight and get out of bed late. I see you on my head straight. The rest of it, I see you up they call it limbo. I feel it.
Right.
So you niggas need to like get my heart on the board.
Right, how we do? Potato Kiss Balls. I know where they go. They go. Sound Show. Everybody is talking about.
So it's really nothing else to talk about. So don't expect for us to talk it out.
Hold it. We get on it. Yes, y'all. Build it. Y'all. Yes. How you doing? Yes, sir. Once again. Have a seat, y'all. Have a seat.
Yeah, man, you know how we do So High?
That's
that
right.
Was some heat right there, man. That was the gospel. You know what I mean? Black Seas and myself, H2 of the Sound Pros, man. That was the gospel produced by CJ, the CTWJ Music, and myself, H2 for Sound Pros Productions. That was a hot intro song. We got our guests coming through for the day, man. We about to get started with them, yo. Good afternoon, y'all. Good afternoon, we about to come around to the panel. Right, man. This is SS94. You know how we do, man. Good afternoon. Once again, got my boy Jahari, aka Nova, straight out of Brooklyn Media. You know how we do, man. Right. We got my boy CD the King back for his part 2. Right, City?
That's right.
That's
You
a
know I had
fact,
to come
City,
back.
you know what I mean?
I like this vibe.
Yeah, you know, we're about to have some fun, you know what I mean? Perform some hot shows, interview y'all, talk to y'all a little bit, get this thing going, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here to come around to the panel. I just had to set the record for when we finish. Oh, they go Bells, right?
There you go. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. There you
What
go.
up, Bells?
Chillin'.
What's up, my G?
Then we
Yeah, we are here. We're in the building. Codename Bells. Y'all got anything open? Make sure y'all, you know what I mean? If you got anything open right there, try to finish that or keep it, you know, kind of like away from the panel. Make sure y'all be careful of the wires and all that when we go to perform and all of that, y'all.
All right.
You know, man, Sound Show Music. Good afternoon, y'all. So we getting started, man. We got City the King. We got Durgavelli.
What's going on?
We got ReRyte.
Yes, sir.
We got Fran Quenzo. And we got Codename Bells. What's up, my G's? Good afternoon, Sound Show Radio, man. We ready to get started. So we're going to swing around the panel, you know what I mean? Just tell everybody where y'all from. And you know, we're going to start like that, you know what I mean? Right, y'all going to share the mics and all of that, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to start with you, Durg, ladies first, you know what I mean?
Right.
Let everybody know, welcome to the Sound Show first and foremost.
Thank you for having
Let
me.
everybody know where you're from.
I'm from Brooklyn and Queens.
That's a fact. Brooklyn, Queens, stand up.
We literally just got up to be QE.
Ah, that's what's up. That is what's up, man. That's a fact. We appreciate you coming through to the Sound Show. City, you know we had you remind the people again because there's always somebody new watching.
Yes, sir.
Let
It's,
people know where you from.
City the King, East New York.
That's right.
Stand up.
Brooklyn,
You know
stand
that.
up. You already know. You know what I mean? Shout out to our homie Standing Man, DTF Radio, always holding us down. You know what I mean? ReRyte, what's going on, my G?
Yeah, I'm chilling, bro.
Good to have you in the building with us.
Thank you, man. This is a great vibe already. I go by ReRyte. I'm from East New York, Brooklyn.
That's a fact, man. We appreciate that, man. We got another first guest for the first time in here, Fran Quenzo. What's going on, G's?
I'm from the Dominican Republic.
Ah, DR, stand up.
But I grew up in Bushwick.
Okay,
So
Brooklyn, stand up. Bushwick.
I be in Queens too.
That's right. Shout out to QU. You already know, man. Appreciate you for coming through. That's serious. Yo, Bells, what's up, my G?
Chillin'. What up, man?
Go ahead, talk to the people. Let them know where you from.
I mean, I'm from Flatbush, Brooklyn.
Okay, Flatbush, stand up. I got family out there.
Flatbush, USA, you know.
That's a fact.
You know, I live in Florida too. You know,
Right.
Tampa to be exact, but you know, I'm out here with it again.
This is Brooklyn and Queens definitely in effect today, B. You know what I mean? We appreciate y'all coming through. You know what I mean? So no further ado, we're going to get it started with more interviews and all of that, but we're going to get it started with the performances. You know how we doing here, yo. Tell us about this record Raw that we're about to get into, City and Durga.
Oh.
Tell us about this hit record.
About that.
I'll tell y'all about this. Raw. This is a part of our upcoming project. This Raw like Papers. I guess it's the title track.
Right.
And yeah, we just had a lot of fun making this record. You know, we made it as our nation. So
Shout out to Czar Nation.
word. It's big things going on. Right
Yeah, I
now,
see.
so.
Y'all are working there like crazy. So, Durg, anything you want to tell us about this record Raw? You went crazy on this, Mom.
Yeah. Raw was just us in the house listening to some beats, and City was like, yo, I made this beat mad long ago. Let's do it. And we just
The rest
put
is
it
history,
together.
right?
The rest is history. Came, recorded it as I, and we had Raw.
Yo, it's a hit record, man. It's
Thank
definitely a
you.
hit record, so I guess it's that
Dope
time,
video
you know what I mean?
too.
Right, we're gonna go down the line and let y'all all perform something, but it's that time to get into it, you know what I mean? Alright, y'all, man, no further ado, it's time to get into this. This is by City the King, featuring Durgavelli. This is called Raw, man. Sound Show Radio, episode 94.
Let's get it.
How we do it? Let's go, City.
You know what we do. You know what we doing here.
Video on the screen and all that. Check out the video on YouTube.
There we go.
Baby, I like it raw.
There we go.
Baby, I'm home. Baby, no, that ain't fucking on home. I gotta trust my baby won't go. Cause I know every day pussy gets low. Cause I know every day pussy gets low. But that I like, but that I know. Go to the house, then go slow. Then when I sleep, I'm getting home though. Then go tap, tap, then go slow. Then when too long, can't see it, no, no. I show this goes up, so I can't
Sound Show. Every Saturday, 2 to 3, right here at DTR Radio. We display some of the hottest indies / mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world. Shout out to City the King. Shout out to Durgavelli on that hit record Raw, man. Great display, you know what I mean?
Great music display.
Right, you know what I mean? We're gonna let y'all take a breather from that hit record. Tell them they gotta get ready for that. That video is available on YouTube, right, y'all?
That's right.
That's a big record, man, you know what I mean?
Make
That
sure
big.
you
That's a
watch
vibe.
the video. We had a
Right.
surprise visitor in that video.
That's a fact. Y'all look like y'all have fun too.
We did. We did.
Right, y'all look like y'all have fun shooting that video, City.
No,
You know what I mean?
Right.
Right.
Good time.
Yo, Dirk, you know what I mean? You stay tuned because you performing back outside. I don't know if you knew that. It's lit in here at Soundshot Radio. We go to the artist catalog and see what fire you got, and then I select what joints that I want on the track list. You know what I mean? Yeah, we get going. Right now it's ReRyte time. We got you, friends. Everybody, YouTube bells, everybody's getting off today with their records. You know what I mean? So ReRyte, man, it's your time, man. Time to get into that countdown, man. Tell the people about this. We start that. That's my shit, man. Tell people about that. You know how we do Soundshot Radio. Tell people about this, man. There's nothing like this. You know what I
I
mean?
made that during the COVID. Like I had a whole project lined up type shit. It's called The Way We Live. You feel me? So like that was just I was just in that mode. I had that beat for mad long. And that was the last. That was actually the last song on my project. I wasn't gonna do that song at all. I was like,
That
yo,
song
fuck
was
it,
fire,
I'm
bro.
appreciate you, bro.
Yeah,
So
we get ready to get into it. You know what I mean? No
let's
time
get
to waste.
Alright, let's
So
get
we
it.
get ready to get into this record right now, man.
Yeah,
This is by ReRyte, man. This joint is called Countdown. This is a fire record. Videos available on YouTube and all of that. Let's get ready to get turned up. Soundshot Radio, you know how we do. So
That's right. Every Saturday, 2 to 3.
nobody show like us. We gonna
No
talk
way.
to my man Jahari 2, aka Nova, straight out of Brooklyn,
Nova.
by this mic check series, because he's going crazy with that too. But right now, it's time, yo. Let's go. This is by ReRyte. This joint is called Countdown. Let's go, right? Get on up.
Get on up, yeah. Before that.
Too focused on being that focus, you're not in your function. The rest of the go on top, cause if they go on team, watch us sneak up for money. Yeah. This the motherfucking
See the
countdown.
video on YouTube. Check it out, y'all.
Now, popping out of the scene, now they found out that I was great, no debating, no mistake, something genetic is passed down.
Over there, right?
The way that I rap now, this the COVID with the mask down. A lot of y'all just started boring, in a way that the waves controlling. Cause I'm the alpha, no sorority, giving the middle finger to it only. The ball of my coast, the way that I'm about to be balling, it's gonna be a score to keep. And watch how they did, while they wanna just hop on my wagon, the niggas just stole a G. I'm fire, I'm keeping the cold reach. Better watch out for the general. I'm the best artist in general, heard what I'm saying, so watch with the festival. I'm gonna end up on the watch list. I don't pay attention to niggas who talk about that BS, I don't gotta block this. Who am I to stop the gossip? I'm focused on doubling up, I invest in my future by funding it up. I see how niggas with positive figures, I should keep on running the clutch. If you wasn't focused on being so envious, you could've eaten with us. And you let your demons create that illusion, so now you defeated, you stuck. Down low, bank account was on -5. I ain't not fucking with none of you niggas, cause honestly, that sound like -5.
Again, video available on YouTube. Make sure y'all check it out.
Yeah, shit, now I know there's a lot of y'all watching and checking for me like Verizon. Saying, God damn, the industry's something I'm
About your video, right?
and don't even know what it's just that
Come here.
yeah. I never fall, I had to bend through. I had to bust on my mentality, changing my habits, cause that's what the best.
Video available on YouTube.
Yeah, you better watch out when you come through. The circle I keep is my company, planning on taking them out of the mode. Too focused on being that function, you're not even functioning. The best when you know on my side, cause if they go on team, watch us make up for money. Yeah. This the motherfucking countdown. It's only a matter of time before they get on my time and they see what I'm about now. You and 19 vibe. The way that we move when we giving off G, you and 19 vibes. It's the motherfucking countdown.
That's right. Countdown. That's right.
Here at DTR Radio, man, displaying the hottest independent and mainstream music from artists all over the world.
That's right.
Shout out to ReRyte, man. That joint was
That's
called
right.
Countdown. That joint is fire right
Fire
there,
sauce
man.
right there. It's fire sauce right there. Here you go.
Yeah, man, we going down. We gonna keep it moving, man. We gonna keep it moving. We gonna talk and display songs. You know what I mean? All right, so we think we're gonna do you next, Bill. Yeah, the homie code named Bills Nation, you already know. Yo, Bills, I think I want you to do Uda, my G's. Shout out to 917 Racks. You wanna do Uda real quick?
Feel me? I'd rather give a whole joint to just me or something.
All right, so what you want to do? You want, right, because Rack's not here, right? So what you want to do? You want to do timing real quick? That shit's flames, you know what I
Where's the
mean?
glasses at? Damn.
Those remakers.
Yeah, man, this is a hit record, man. We definitely gotta shout you out on this. This is a hit record, my G.
He really tapped in.
Yeah, he tapped in, yo. He was on this hit making shit on this one. You know what I mean?
You about to get work.
Yeah, man. So you know how we do. Let's get ready into this record. You want to tell the people anything about this before you start?
I mean, it's about having a good time and shit, and not anybody messing with shit.
Right. The video looks like that. It looks like y'all were having an amazing time,
It's
my
having a
G.
good time, bro. With
Right.
Jamaica, you feel me?
That's a fact in Jamaica.
Yeah, facts.
Right. Talk that talk. Talk that talk.
Shout out to the whole team, and shout out to my son, Shelly Funny for being in the video and all that.
That's a fact.
Nice.
Right, this is a hit record, man. Let's get into this joint. This joint is by Codename Bills. This joint is called Timing. SS94 Sound Show Radio. You know how we do. Let's go.
I said, no, Miami. If I'm feeling too good when I ain't
Video available on YouTube.
it's timing. When I get up in your home, I can take control of your waist. So whining, if I let it taste, I dying. No time to chase. I'm lying. I'll be on the way. Driving. I'm riding. No, I be cruising, I be riding. My sidekick, side chick, robbing. Dick though. Pull up on me cause it's thick though. I might invest in a stock. Turn away, you rising. Time I keep you on my mind, that's why I'm shining. Grinding. Know you from the trenches, but you shine like a diamond. I'ma clean you up and show you that you worth it. Like that you perfect. They can't hold it. Miami. If I'm feeling too good when I ain't with you, girl, I said no. It's timing. When I get up in your home, I can take it. I like your waist. So whining. If I let it taste, I dying. No time to chase. I'm lying. I be on the way. Driving. Used to be the bus boy. I was washing dishes. They ain't never trust boy. Still in this business. I'm just on a Ruger. Still more frugal. Walking out like 6 blocks. Double slices from 2 burgers. And by the way, this is got my kids in the mouth like a group home. Bend over. I need some time for me. Yeah. You don't believe I lead. Yeah. You don't know what I need. Hold up. Ain't shit like a dolly. Hold up. Don't boss your best friend shit goalie. Tell the bitches lay back. This ain't Cody. This is Cody. Put the shot around now. Stop a nigga make Foley. Send a shot right behind me. Shit's good like Jordan. Boy, bros, let me own it. Bitch, go back to the party. What type of lover you are? Tryna love me, I'm scarred. So no, Miami. If I'm feeling too good when I ain't with you, girl, I said no. It's timing. When I get up in your hole, I can take control of your
That's right, man. Sound Show Radio.
If I let it taste,
Some of the hottest independent music artists all over the world.
I be on the way, driving, no I be sliding, you know I be cruising, I be riding. My sidekick, side chick, riding, thick though. Pull up on me cause it's thick though. I might invest in a stock, crypto, diamonds.
Yes, you already know. Let's go, my G.
Mr. Lava, smoke out in the covers. Still niggas vaccine, and the rapper somebody else. I pull the bumper. Stepping like I'm military, and I should have used a bumper. When black, I'm max kid, singing like a musher. Baby girl is tax free, just know I got you covered. How the hell is late night, party turn to slumber. You done had a few drinks, and now you tryna run. You ain't gotta feed, you ain't no D. Watch up in your back, make a bitch scream. You ain't gotta show what's in your cup, it ain't no leaves. Bottles in my section if you need them.
Yes. Codename Bells, man. Sound Show, you know we constantly displaying the hottest Indian mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists
all over the world. That's how we
Shout
do.
out to Codename Bells on that Dre, yo.
Right,
Yo,
ain't
I
right
ain't
there.
gonna lie, if you drive that login album,
That shit's a vibe, right?
That's
all I'm
roaster
saying.
music.
That's
Like,
Hell yeah.
Word, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming back over there in a minute too, Joe. How you saying? You know what I mean? We're gonna talk to you real quick. I'm gonna come over there, chop it up with you.
Your mic's hot?
Yeah, the mic
Yeah,
is hot too.
it's
but
loud, it's
just
loud.
Chop it up real quick
All mics
about
are
your
loud.
mic check series. You know what I mean? We're gonna get back with Fran real quick and then come and talk to you about your mic check series. You know what I mean? You know, I gotta get it going with the artist that's here today. You know what I mean?
That's right.
Next up, Fran Quenzo. What's up, my G? I picked a record that I wanted you to perform. I want you to perform Section. Yeah, let's go. You don't think we dig in the crates and check out the artist's music? You know what I mean? I know what's going on, bro. That's a fact, you know what I mean? Yo, you know what I mean? Talk to the people real quick in the mic and tell them a little bit about this record. Just get ready to perform it. You know what I mean?
I mean, everybody that
Talk to the mic.
But everybody that know me know I'm a toxic nigga, so it's like, that song, honestly, I do them both. Like, I'm a rapper, but I feel like singing, I was like, my shorty left me for one of my shorties, I'm not gonna say which one, for another nigga, I'm telling her like the section is over here, this the spot. Like
This the spot, right? This is what you know what I mean? Shout out to Fran Quenzo, man. We glad to have you in the building with us, man.
I'm not even a singer though, I'll be rapping for you.
Both I see, you know what I mean? So we get ready to get into this record section, man. You already know. You ready to perform this joint, my G's?
Word.
That's right. Sound Show episode 94. You know how we do, man.
Yeah.
This is by Fran Quenzo, man. This joint is called Section. You know how we do. This is produced by Lou X2. You already know how we do. Sound Show Radio episode 94. Let's go, Fran.
Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Cause I can't leave you alone.
You know how we do. SS 94. This is by Fran Quenzo. This joint is called Section. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey.
To be honest, you don't love me, you just fake it. Tryna get me back, you know you hate it. Bottles just to rock your body, aching. Come back to my section, make you famous. Can't leave you alone, you got me anxious. You really left for real. But I still check up on you, I know exactly how you feel. I say you so pure, but girl, don't change, just keep it real. Every time the storm came, I love how you so still. It's written in the Bible, you know, obstacle you can't let it go. True is like a headache. At the same time, give me chills. I love you, man.
It's a vibe right here.
Be honest, you don't love me, just fake it. Tryna get me mad, you know you need it. Bottles just to rock your body, aching. Come back to my section, make you famous. Can't leave you alone, you got me anxious. All the dumb stuff I did, I can't change it. At least I want you back, girl, I can't take it. Messing with these girls, but you my favorite. I cannot even lie, I've been faking. Girl, you make me feel like you don't need me. Fight for what we had, girl, just don't leave me. You post them on your IG tryna tease me. I be all up in your DM, know you see me. Gonna put you in that nice car Lamborghini. Come back to my section, girl, you with me. To be honest, you don't love him, you just faking. Tryna get me mad, you know you hate him. Bottles just to rock your body, aching. Come back to my section, make you famous. Can't leave you alone, you got me anxious.
You know how we do, man. Sound Show every Saturday evening right here at ATL Radio.
But we display some of the hottest indie specimen all over the world.
You know you want to be here, man. Shout out to all our guests, man. Shout out to Fran Quenzo on that trade for section. You know what I mean?
Right.
Get back what you need to beat. So, yo, are we playing some heat in here or what, yo? You know what I mean? We're about to come back to let y'all perform your new single, Pariba. You know what I mean? We're about to perform the new single, Pariba, in a minute, too. You know what I mean? We're going to come back with Durga one more time, too, as well. You know what I mean? Stay tuned. We got some shit lined up.
Right.
You know what I mean? Yo, No. My boy No Vacation straight out of Brooklyn Media, man. Let's talk to you a little bit about that Mic Check series, man, because you've been going crazy with that. Have got various artists lined up coming through, dropping dope segments. Talk to us a little bit about that.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Yeah, so the Mic Check series, you know, straight out of Brooklyn, we always trying to provide quality platforms for independent artists such as this platform right here.
That's a fact.
So, you know, the Mic Check series is a video performance platform where artists can come through and display, you know, they dopest rhymes. And or if they sing, you know, display, you know, a dope verse or whatever. And you know, we do the lyric video thing, and we put it on our platform. We put it on our YouTube, and then you know, we get it to the artists. You know, we just trying to do things that kind of cut out a lot of the politics that artists run into.
Right.
So you know, a lot of the artists that I work with, or that I communicate with, you know, I offer it to them first and foremost. You know what I'm saying, to kind of cut out that middle man thing where you have to kind of be on this certain platform and know certain people, and, you know, that type of stuff. So, you know, we try to eliminate some of the gatekeeper bullshit and really just focus on the talent.
Right.
So, you know, City the King, Durgavelli, you know, some of the dopest artists coming out of the city have blessed the platform. And
I saw your Mic Checks too, yo. Y'all killed it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're gonna be shooting starting the fourth series. So we got some dope artists coming through tomorrow. And yeah,
See, you
we
had
trying
a
to
few,
keep-
my G. We see you just had Core, you just had Cortez.
Yeah, shout
You know what I mean?
out to Cortez.
Right,
you know
shout
what I
to
mean?
Core, man. You already
I mean,
know.
that's a hip hop legend, you know,
Right.
rap legend, top 50. So
That's a fact.
he definitely blessed. He did it twice actually.
Right.
And we got a couple more, you know, special. We got some other battle rappers that's gonna join. Because it's just really dope. You know, when you get on the platform, you know, you see it's a lot of, you know, the lyric video thing. You know, it's a lot of people doing it. But what I want to do is focus on the quality. Because what you notice is like, and I tell, you know, rappers and whatnot that when you get on the platform, when your lyrics get on the screen, it's a lot different, right?
Right.
Like, so if you saying some bullshit, like
people could read it.
it'll be really right. It's gonna be real obvious once them lyrics pop up. So all like the uhs and the ahs, and you know what I'm saying. You just trying to fill in spaces and the bars with just a bunch of echoes and shit.
Right.
Like that might not translate on that platform.
Right.
You know, so it's really for, you know, people that got something to say, and I, you know, it's curated by myself, and you know, my brothers are straight out of Brooklyn, so
That's a
I
fact.
try to just make sure, like, you know, it's shit that we like. You know what I'm saying? It's not that everybody might not like it. It's what we consider, you know, top notch, high level shit.
That's a fact, yo. We appreciate you on that. You know what I mean? Yo, you know my man Nova, man. He been holding it down, man. Brought so many dope guests through. You know what I mean? Like, make sure y'all tap into him because his ears is to the streets. You know what I mean?
Make sure
Talk
y'all
about the
follow
guests we
back.
brought in,
Make
right?
sure
Right
y'all
now.
Yeah. Make sure y'all follow Straight Out of Brooklyn. Y'all want to join.
Follow Straight Outta Brooklyn
know more
Media,
about,
right?
Know more about the mic check sessions. Know more about artist repertoire. We do our workshops
Tell them,
every
no, some
Sunday.
of the artists we brought in,
Yeah.
man.
Shout out to some of the artists.
Johnny
we brought through,
Rose.
like I said.
Classic
Johnny
the
Rose,
Writer.
Classic.
FTM. GBO
Oh
Yang.
man, damn. Yeah.
LB.
Oh man, LB. Oh,
City
man.
the King.
Keep going.
Now City brought Durga,
Yeah,
ReRyte,
City, yeah,
Quenzo, and Bell.
Yeah,
Bell,
it's
you came through last time. We just didn't know you was an artist, so you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's incredible, you know what I
And
mean?
Bell's from Flatbush. I'm from Flatbush too. So
That's a fact.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Flatbush representing in here all day.
Yeah.
So, you know, yeah, man.
Appreciate you.
It's just a network. You know what I mean? This is all family here,
That's
and that's really what it's about, right? It's everybody trying to assist and throw assist where they can.
Right.
And you know, just trying to create, you know, a more even playing field
Right.
for the really talented artists.
Right. We really appreciate you, my G.
Absolutely.
You know, we're going to slide down and
Appreciate
finish talking
you,
to
my
everybody
guy.
that's here.
Hi, shout out to
Always
Science
appreciate
Show
you.
Radio. Shout out to DTF.
You know how we do, my boy.
Right.
My boy Nova, Straight Out of Brooklyn Media. Make sure y'all
y'all
follow him on
at
IG.
Straight Out of Brooklyn, STRAOUTTA
Right.
BKLY.
We get ready to come back.
Yes, sir. You know.
We get ready to come back with some fire music. Yo, we get ready to get into Fire.
Fire.
You know what I mean?
Uh-oh.
So, I'm
Fire
trying to figure,
Mania.
should we let Durga do back outside first? Or should we go Party and then back outside? Let me see. Let's go, Durg. You know what I mean? Let's do back outside because Party was good. But the record's only 2 minutes. I might let y'all do it back to back, like 2 times. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? So, we're going to get into Durga's song Back Outside featuring City. You know what I mean? Durg, you want to tell them a little bit about that real quick before we get going? You can say that, talk to the people real quick and then we're going to get you going.
So yeah, Back Outside's been out for a year now. You know, it's available on all streaming platforms.
Right.
We actually recorded that in Puerto Rico.
Crazy.
Came back, mixed and mastered it at Zod Nation.
Shout out to Zod Nation.
Zod Nation is
Yo,
pumping out
working,
hits.
B.
Zod Nation is pumping out hits.
Yeah,
we
people
got
gotta tune in.
our project, so Bell's project. Like, if you want real engineering and quality, make sure that y'all tune into Zod Nation.
That's a
You know
fact,
what I
right?
mean? Yeah, so after City came, mixed mastered the record,
Right.
shot the video. Shout out to Gio the architect. And
That's a
Back
fact,
Outside.
man. That is
This
a
is
fact.
post
Outside.
COVID, so it was
Man.
just like, you know, we were in Puerto Rico and we were actually like stuck in the house because there was a curfew for 9 o'clock. And we was like, now when we go home, we gonna go back outside.
Yeah, man. So you know it's only right we get into this record. This is a smash single right here. It's got that crazy energy. It's a street banger / a hit record. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get ready to get into this joint, Durgavelli featuring City the King. This joint is called Back Outside. You know we back outside, y'all. You know what I mean? You stay outside, you already know. Shout out to ReRyte, shout out to Fran, Quenzo, and Codename Bills. We about to get into Pariba in a minute, you already know. So it's that time, Durg.
city.
They thought they could keep us inside.
Where we at? Said I'm back outside. Back out, racks got broke.
Now we do. Sound Show episode 94. This is by Durgavelli featuring City the King. This one is called Back Outside. Sound Show Radio. Now we do. Video available on YouTube.
I'm back outside. Hold on, first circle, last belly. Ain't shit a broke bitch could ever tell me. Been outside with little boats and clear jellies. Now smoking blunts in the telly. Hanging in the rain while he taking off my father. Pretty ass bitch, I get that shit from my father. And I got the juice real sweet like guava. He love it when I rap and I sound like Big Papa. Now the dude can stop her. Vision over now. Love to talk cause I'm bad and not just popular. Break them like Sinatra, they curve his Yamada. Wasty 101.
Video on YouTube, y'all see it, right?
I'm back outside. Back out, racks out, broke so wired.
Now we do so high.
Oh, so fly, cause I'm back outside. Said I'm back outside. My gang is strapped, they clap out, rise, yeah. Click it back, they jump down high, cause I'm back outside.
Hey, okay, I'm back, ready to slap shit. Fuck the talk, say that shit for your caption. Move me, don't miss the main attraction. We gon' get turned, we got the traction. All my niggas rhyme dirty, but the whip clean. Niggas know I had heat since I was 16. Always been ahead of my time, I'm using 6G. Life moving too fast, I can't sit lean. Real motherfucking Don in the making. Been bring home the bacon, shit's mine for the taking. Ain't no name for me, so for me to make it, I'ma make it. Fuck anybody hating, tell everybody hating now.
I'm back outside. Back out, racks got broke so wired. Chat is whack, I'm oh so fly, cause I'm back outside. Said I'm back outside. My gang is strapped, they clap out, rise, yeah. Click it back, they duck down high, cause I'm back outside.
Yes. Sound Show every Saturday 2 to 3 p.m. Radio, man. You know how we do. Constantly displaying some of the hottest Indian mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world, man.
Sound Show 94, y'all.
SS 94, man. So ReRyte City, tell us about this single Pariba, man, that we're about to get into. This is a big record. You know what I mean? Tell us about this joint, man, before we get into it, you know what I mean?
Yo, sometimes we just be having fun in between the sessions and all that, you know. It's a very busy studio, you know.
Sure is.
So the times when we do have time to just sit there and make music, we make the most out of it.
Yeah, that's a fact,
I ain't
right?
gonna lie. So, Fran, he told you he's a dembow artist,
Right.
you know. I'm always in there making beats, you know. You always catch me cooking up. Fran make beats too.
Yo, Fran, you killed Pariba too, though. Y'all all did good on that shit. That's a smack. This is a smack single, y'all. Bells, y'all all killed. This is a smack. Y'all know that. And we heard y'all making it. You know what I mean? When I came upstairs, I heard the beat, but I didn't know what song it was. Then I seen y'all post it. I was like, oh. Yo, we came in the studio like it was a Saturday, bro. We heard y'all making it, but we didn't know what the song was. Right, so huh? That's
right.
Working, and then it turned out to be this great vibe to get into. But they working, right?
It's fire.
Fire, right?
It's fire.
They are working, right? So huh?
Right, hell yeah.
So first of all, this is one thing that's very different about this bunch of people that's here. We got 3 producers, 4 engineers. Well, Bells make beats too.
Yeah.
You know, we can't sleep. We all make beats
And
engineer
Right.
regularly. So you know, us making music, like we try to really have fun. Like we really try to come with that pain. And it's a lot of minds that go into it, you know? So we work together, come out real clean. And, you know, Fran was like, yo, why you don't make a dembow? He's like, why you?
There you go.
I started cooking it. Nah, this wasn't even the first one we made. The first one we did a sample one first time.
Yo, your verses was hot. Your verse was hot, Bells. Your verse was hot, man.
Nah, he the one who set it off. He the one who made it. I was like, now we got a track now.
And I was like, okay, Bells. Like Mongol. I was like,
y'all ready? Y'all ready to get into this snack? Come on, everybody up now for this one.
That's right.
All right. This is by ReRyte, City the King, Fran Quenzo, and codename Bells. This joint is called Pariba, Sound Show Radio, episode 94. Let's go, y'all.
En la discoteca estamos fumando. Agarra la botella que yo voy a coger un shot pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Somos mujeres mías, no te pones guapo. En el bolsillo mío sí yo tengo cuatro. Agárrate un vaso pa' arriba, pa' abajo, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Step in the spot, bring the whole crowd. Them say you gotta pay to play like how. And I'm too lit, I can't walk through the crowd. Look up, sticky, tugs that with it. And she riding with us and she picking. Don't get silly, stop them tricky. She a busy body, even though her face pretty. I'm in the club, we can do this, I got that. Quiera que se pase, yo lo tengo en mi lado. She got me in the cloud. With the baba, that shit never been down. Estamos prendidos, baby, que no se te olvide. Ese mulazo cualquiera vete a recibir. Pásale la boca, dale lo que tú pides. En la discoteca, estamos fumando. Agarra la botella que le voy a coger un shot y pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Son mujeres, mira lo que pone guapo. En el bolsillo mío si yo tengo cuatro.
Nobody does it like Sound Show Radio.
Pa' arriba, pa' abajo, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Everybody
From Touch Fashion.
Everybody in this shit, right?
Velvet blue, I'm pouring the pool. Champagne showers, I'm pouring on you. Sliding the coupe, I got the tool. I wake up with bitches, I know how to move. En la discoteca, estamos fumando.
Let's go, ReRyte.
Agarra la botella, le voy a coger un shot, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Son mujeres mías, no te pones guapo. En el bolsillo mío, si yo tengo cuarto.
Let's go, Fran.
Agárrate un vaso, pa' arriba, pa' abajo, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' arriba, pa' abajo.
Sound Show, you ready? You ready, yo? This is what I mean, yo. That's what I mean, that energy is up. One more time. One more time, B. One more time. ReRyte, City the King, Fran, Quenzo, codename Bells.
En la discoteca, estamos fumando. Agarra la botella que le voy a coger un shot, pa' arriba, pa' abajo.
One more time for them.
En el bolsillo mío si yo tengo cuarto. Agárrate un vaso, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' centro, pa' dentro, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Step in the spot, bring a whole cloud. Them say you gotta pay to play, I'm like how? And I'm too lit, I can't walk through the crowd. Rolling up 60, tugs in with me. And I know she ride with us if she picky. Don't get silly, see how them tricky. She a busy body, even though her face pretty. Estamos en el club y tú puedes desacatado. Cualquiera que se pase, yo lo tengo en el lado.
Quenzo, let's go.
Camión claro, le gusta agresivo, ya le gusta el papá. Aunque enfrentamos a Julio, that shit ain't no bend down. Estamos prendidos, baby, que no se te olvide. Ese mulazo cualquiera
See the video, still shot available on YouTube. Let's go.
En la discoteca, estamos fumando.
Video coming soon.
Agarra la botella que le voy a comer un shot, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Son mujeres mías, no te pones guapo. En el bolsillo mío si yo tengo cuarto. Agárrate un vaso, pa' arriba, pa' abajo.
Y'all see how we doing here at Sound Show Radio. Y'all see how we doing.
Bust it over like a BA. Show your tits on the freeway. I'm at OI, yeah, I ain't no delay. Fuck for an hour, I really like the BK. First about the shop, she gon' treat me like every day. Follow ID, you can see through the she get. Hey, so like my pool. Bro, he don't need no food. What he gon' do? Velvet blue, I'm pouring the pool. Champagne showers, I'm pouring on you. Sliding the coupe, I got the tool. I wake up with bitches, I don't got a clue. En la discoteca, estamos fumando.
Hey.
Agarra la botella que yo voy a coger un shot, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Son mujeres mías, no te pones guapo. En el bolsillo mío si yo tengo cuarto. Agárrate un vaso, pa' arriba, pa' abajo. Asiento pa' dentro, asiento pa' dentro, arriba, pa' abajo.
Yeah, that's it. Sound Show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here, DTF Radio, man. Display some of the hottest indie, mainstream hip hop, R&B, reggae, boom, calypso, everything from artists all over the world, right?
Hey, yo, I forgot. My boys have absolutely.
Yeah, City's in the beat.
City on the beat.
City on the production, word. And you know, we got some
back outside there.
No,
He actually told me to get on the hook because he was driving.
Yeah, send out the panel too. Tell us about that before we close. Right, that's a fact, man.
He had played the song for me, so he played the song for me. And we was on the road, and I heard it, and I was like, yo, this shit is fire, but I can't see myself rapping on it because I don't rap in Spanish and shit. So I was like, I don't know, you feel me? But he played it again in the studio, and for some reason I caught the vibe, and I'm like, nah, I got it. Especially when I heard Fran, and I heard everybody else on it, I'm like, yeah, nah, let me see if I could do like a little hook at least or some shit. And I did that shit, and that shit was instantly fire, bro. I think it like
I ain't gonna lie. As soon as I heard what you did, bro, I was like, oh my god, he just made this shit a whole other vibe. Like, what the fuck?
Appreciate it, bro.
Gangsta, his voice is crazy.
The original version was just the verses.
Yeah.
And like the second version, it still had me on the intro because originally the track just started off City King, but then we was like, nah, let's throw the hook in the beginning.
Y'all bodied that.
For the people that don't understand what we were saying, our Spanish parts, we was talking about how like we in a club, blah blah blah. You know, I don't gotta go into details. You know what you do in the club. Yeah. So then ReRyte came on the hook and started saying like you know what they were saying in English type shit. Like, club. So I'm just clarifying.
Thank you for breaking it down.
It's a fact. The setting is in the club.
Arriba basically mean up.
Yeah, so like there's a saying like when you drinking, it's like pa arriba, you taking a shot up, down in the center, and then you drink it. So pa adentro, you feel me? So like I've always heard that, but I'm like, yo, I never heard it on a song, bro. So like let me see if I can incorporate.
Yo, that's a hit record, yo. You just gotta push.
I didn't even know it was that deep, son. It just sound. It just sound good. I was like, oh.
Yeah, we just gotta push, man. We really thank y'all for coming through, right? So I really appreciate that. Yo, give a shout Instagrams and all of that.
Wait, how you gonna tell me come with a verse and then?
Oh no. Go ahead. You know what I mean? Give us your Instagrams and all that. Then I'll play a little instrumental and then we close out. You know what I mean? Yeah. Give us your IGs and all of that before we close out. Sound Show episode 94.
Let's go.
Let's go,
Durgavelli. You can find me on all streaming platforms, Instagram, Facebook, under Durgavelli. That's D as in David, URGAVELI.
That's
all
a
platforms.
fact. So. Thank you for coming through, Dirk. You crushed the show, man. You know what I mean? Thank you so much. You know what I mean? It's hard to, it's not hard, but you know, we had to like spread the time out between like 4 or 5 artists and talk a little bit. So we just tried to give time for everybody to have a little bit of time to
do
it.
It's my family. I wouldn't want to share it with anybody else. Like,
we appreciate you.
Here.
City, you want to tell them anything?
Oh, I'm City the King. Look me up on everything. CITYTHEKING. It's not really hard.
All streaming platforms.
All streaming platforms. We doing everything. You see, we not scared to tap into different genres. We rapping. We singing. We switching languages. You know, we making all types of beats. This is we touching.
Touching all genres,
Ain't nothing we scared to touch, and we also wanna tap in with more artists, more people that do different types of music, cause that's how we gonna make it crazier. We trying to tap in with musicians, producers. Definitely come through to the stool, cause we could build something. You know how we gonna do it with the credits. We gonna split it. We gonna hit it. You know, and we throwing shows. So I just feel like, yo, we the people you should just get next to us. Like, don't reinvent the wheel. We doing it already.
Right.
We got it. Basically.
ReRyte. Give me your joints.
Yo, so just to also too is Zod Nation. You feel me?
ZOD
Nation. You feel me? Y'all gotta tap in. It's mad. It's all love is all fire. Like, you feel me? So I go by ReRyte. That's ReRyte. The minute you type that in anywhere, I'm gonna pop up because the algorithm and nobody got that name. So feel me? Type that in. I'm a producer, I engineer, and on top of that too, everybody here. It's not that they do everything, they have quality too, you feel me? Like, everybody could do anything, but if you got the quality with it, that makes it all the better.
Yep, that's a fact.
So, feel me?
Right, thank you for coming through, right? We appreciate that.
So, yeah, what we talking about? My
yeah, dropping your ID. That's what they giving me ID.
I swear I was listening. We talking about, Fran Quenzo, Fran Quenzo.
Instagram.
I was listening to what he was saying. Yo, I feel what you saying is fact. As soon as I started putting up to Zod Nation, like, I'm not gonna lie, I was lit, but Zod Nation made it even more lit. So you're not crazy, man. Nigga, you trying to expand it, you trying to do drill, whatever, pull up. You already know doors is open, and big shouts to Bells, City, Durg, my boy ReRyte, turning up the city.
Give us a drop, man. Sound Show Radio.
Sound Show Radio. Yo, if you're not fucking with Sound Show Radio, when I see you, I'ma slap you.
That's right. You know what I mean? Yo, they tell them Bells. You know what I mean?
Well,
you know, we having a good time, man. We appreciate you, man.
I appreciate
Close
y'all.
out on them, man.
I mean, first off, I want to give a big shout out to the crew,
That's a fact.
And then, Zod Nation, and then the entirety of the Brooklyn environment movement that we all working together to elevate, you feel me? And we just trying to do better music and work with good musicians.
That's a fact.
Do some shit that's not just what's trending, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
We working.
Yeah, y'all definitely working, man.
You can follow me on Codename Bells with a Z. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, follow Zod Nation, the page itself.
Yep.
We still tapping in with that, because sometimes we so much into this, what's going on, we don't even get the post because it's so much shit going on.
Yeah, being created.
Yeah, like we gonna make a documentary about this shit later. We ain't got time to work with niggas. We're live shit now. You know what I mean?
You'd be surprised.
We behind a lot of shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, like we behind a lot of shit. It's a lot of views, you know. So
yeah, we appreciate y'all coming through, man. Sound Show episode 94, man. We getting ready to close out, man. You know what I mean? Yo, we had a good time, man. Have Durgavelli, City the King. You know what I mean? ReRyte, Fran, Quenzo, Codename Bells. My boy No, straight out of Brooklyn Media in the building. You already know, man. We appreciate y'all. You know what I mean? This is SS94. You know what I mean? We get ready to close out. You know what I mean? You vibe us down, man. You know what I mean? You can say something, City, if you want. We about to vibe out. You know what I mean? Close down. You know what I mean? You know how we do SS94, man. We appreciate everybody's support, man, for tuning in to Sound Show Radio, man. You know how we do, B. You know what I mean? That's a fact. We get ready to close out because the time is running down. You know what I mean? That's a fact, right? So, fire show, man.
Absolutely.
Absolutely, man. Shout out to the City of the King. Shout out to Durgavelli. Shout out to ReRyte. Shout out to Fran Quenzo. Shout out to Codename Bells and all that for coming through and having a fire show. You know what I mean? City, you know we working, man. We got joints to come, so you know there's no stress. You know what I mean? That's a fact. You know what I mean? But it's up to you, Chip. You want to come and drop a sponsor something before we close out? If not, we want to just close out. You know what I mean? Because we like the vibe of the show already. You know what I mean?
Right here.
That's a fact.
Right here.
Coming?
Coming?
Well,
No.
yeah, you can relax, you know what I mean?
Okay.
You can relax, man. You know, let's just get the work done, you know what I mean? I really like the vibe of the show. We just want to end it like that, you know what I mean?
Right.
Shout out to, once again, City of the King, Durgavelli, ReRyte, Fran Quenzo, Codename Bells, and my boy Nova, straight out of Brooklyn Media for coming through. Dope show, this is SS94, man. We definitely appreciate you. You know what I mean?
Right.
Myself, Ace to the Sound Pros, you know how we do. It's a little short in the mic, you see that, right? Myself, Ace to the Sound Pros.
Not plugged in. Not plugged in. That's why.
So hot up, man. Mika Baby, get well, Mika Baby. She's at home. Shout out to my cousin Red 677.
That's right.
We all Sound Show Radio Squad, man. This was SS94. We appreciate everybody for tuning in live and checking out the show later on your own time.
Sound Show
You know what I mean?
YouTube.
Sound Show YouTube. That's a fact, right? Drops, y'all. Then we gonna go talk in the post now. Give us some drops, everybody. Sound Show Radio.
Yeah.
Drops, y'all.
Tap in with Sound Show Radio.
Give some drops, Dirk. Yeah, City.
Tap in with Sound Show Radio. If you don't know what's up, you don't know what's up.
Make sure you tune in to Sound Show Radio.
That's a fact, man.
Yo, Sound Show got the sound and it's about the show.
That's a fact. ReRyte. That's a fact, ReRyte, right?
Like I said, you see us, we live, we dead. This is the spot right here.
Tell them, Sound Show Radio, right?
This is the spot.
Yeah, that's a fact.
yeah, yo, big up the Sound Show Radio.
That's a
Tap
fact,
in,
bro.
lock in that too.
We appreciate you, man. God Nation, you already know. That's how we do, man. Sound Show Radio, man. God Nation. City of the King, Durgavelli, share Brooklyn Media, ReRyte, Fran Quenzo, girls in the building. We appreciate y'all so much. Check out the show later on. Stay tuned for the distractions. We holla at y'all later, man. This is SS94. We closing out, right? So,
Right.
see y'all next week, man. One.